CCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka MLA ka balasya sospon jong kaseng Congress ni East Shillong constituency kalay thu bakan sa Pynbna Paidbah Hadien ka sipaw Tarik Nohprah arjar arpuar siya kanu ka party kan sa lay Pynbna nakbenta ban ayreng biang ha ka election siya kayang dorbar thawan kaban sa long house nam arjar arpulay wala ka Dr. Ampareen dingdo kampat Pynbna sa tiaya kanu kaseng sain porthay ban lay Pynbna Hadien ka jingsya sospon na kaseng Congress hanay ka kubor hamsaya kalapur state ba hagini kendiat por balalay no Magani ka MLA jong ka East Shillong constituency kalaban lay Pynbna baka National People's Party kapabat mentaya ka lakam sensyar hakajala. Hakajeng kena bigalat patay kubur ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo kalay thu makalay dep selok balaki nong kitkam mat kinong kersyan hapok constituency shwa bakan shim yagaray ka bakhaddo.
I will definitely as I said, I'm already winding up my consultation with every citizen in my constituency. I've left no one out of that consult, and I have a couple more individuals to meet, and I'm likely to complete this exercise by the 10th of December. And please expect me to go to some political party in the coming week after the 10th of December because it is time. It is time for me to now associate myself with one political party in the state of Meghalaya, because it's not just about Ampareen trying to win her election, working hard to win her election, but we must also see that others also win from that political party, which I intend to go to. I would like to help any party that I go to consolidate on support on a fair playing ground. We do not underestimate anyone, nor do we overestimate ourselves. But I would like to see that I go to a party with one intention in mind: give Meghalaya a strong government in 2023.